Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today, we're stepping back into the early 1950s to take a closer look at one of the most uniquely styled American cars of the post-war era, the 1951 Studebaker Champion two-door. This car was bold, aerodynamic, and years ahead of its time. Let's break down the exterior, interior, performance, and wrap it all up with what makes this car a true collector's gem today. Exterior. The first thing you'll notice about the 1951 Studebaker Champion is that it doesn't look like any other car from its era, and that was exactly the point. This two-door coupe showcases the now iconic, bullet nose, front end, a design cue that gave Studebaker a futuristic look compared to its more conservative competitors. That chrome centerpiece, flanked by rounded fenders and integrated headlights, made people stop and stare in the dealership lots. From the side, the streamlined roofline and long, smooth fenders emphasize aerodynamics, a key theme in Studebaker's post-war designs. The rear tapers down gently, giving it an almost fastback appearance, especially on the two-door body style. The trim is minimal but elegant. Chrome strips outline the windows, and the clean, uninterrupted lines along the body hint at efficiency and movement. Most models rode on 15-inch steel wheels, often with polished hubcaps and whitewall tires for that classic 50s vibe. Color options ranged from subtle grays and blues to more vivid colors like Sherwood green and flamingo red, depending on trim and customer preference. Interior. Step inside the 1951 Champion, and you'll be surprised by how spacious and modern it feels, especially for a mid-priced compact of the era. The dashboard is clean and symmetrical, centered around a large speedometer and surrounded by Art Deco-style chrome detailing. Many Champions came with an AM radio, a heater, and even a clock, luxuries at the time. The three-spoke steering wheel is thin and elegant, typical of early 50s cars. The upholstery ranged from cloth to optional vinyl, depending on the trim level. The seats are wide and bench style, both front and rear, with enough room to seat 6, though legroom in the back can be a bit tight for taller passengers due to the coupe roofline. The interior color palettes typically matched or complemented the exterior, adding to the car's cohesive, upscale feel. And one more thing. Thanks to the curved glass and minimal pillar design, the cabin feels airy and bright, with excellent visibility all around. Performance. Under the hood, the 1951 Studebaker Champion is powered by a 2.8-liter, 170-cubic-inch inline-six engine, producing around 85 horsepower. That might not sound like much today, but this engine was lightweight and efficient, which helped keep the Champion nimble and affordable. The car used a 3-speed manual transmission, with an optional overdrive, quite advanced for the time. It was also available with an automatic clutch system called hill holder, which prevented the car from rolling back on inclines, a feature way ahead of its time. The Champion wasn't built to be fast, but it could cruise comfortably at highway speeds and delivered fuel economy in the 20 to 25 mpg range, making it one of the most economical American cars of its era. Suspension-wise, the Champion featured independent front suspension and leaf springs in the rear. The ride was smooth and composed, and steering was light, although braking required a bit more effort with its four-wheel drum brakes. The 1951 Studebaker Champion two-door wasn't just a car, it was a statement. A declaration that Studebaker was willing to take bold design risks in an era of conformity. With its futuristic styling, practical interior, and surprisingly modern engineering touches, the Champion proved that innovation didn't have to come at a luxury price point. Today, it remains a rare and eye-catching classic, appreciated by collectors and enthusiasts alike for its unique place in American automotive history. If you're lucky enough to see one on the road, or even better, own one, you're experiencing a slice of post-war optimism and design genius that still turns heads over 70 years later. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look at the 1951 Studebaker Champion, hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite underrated car from the 1950s. See you next time.